Hello. Today we're going to go ahead and look at how to schedule a tour in Director's Toolbox. Um, Director's Toolbox provide two different options for scheduling tours. We can do a walk-in tour or a call-in tour. To begin, so let's go into Tour Manager. From there, we can see immediately the schedules of the tours for that particular month. In this case, since we want to work on calling in tours, we'll click on the call in tour option, and we're presented with this option here for the tour schedule. We're going to proceed to provide the parent's information. We'll enter the parent's first name, parent's last name, and parent's email. Here we have a feature here that allows us to make sure that the parent, this particular parent, or the system checks to see if this particular parent is in the system. So as you type the parent's information, you'll see that it'll begin to search to see if that parent is in the system already. If that parent is in the system, it will prevent us from moving forward. In this case, you see here, but for the sake of time, we'll go ahead and skip that process. The other feature here is where as you begin to type the parent's information here, the system would automatically build a message for the tour right over here. So it allows you to just basically provide as minimal of information as possible, and the rest will be built from the system. So as you can see, we just put the first name, and then the email is completely or is automatically generated. So now we're going to go ahead and select the date, select the time. As you can see also, as you select the date and time, the system also looks into the calendar to see if is that time slot that is being selected, is it already been scheduled? If it is, it would present a box here that tells you that you need to select a different time slot. In this case, it's basically saying a time slot is available so you can proceed. So we complete all the rest of the information and go ahead and hit the submit button, now the schedule now button. Once we schedule, the information is recorded into Director's Toolbox, and an email is generated for the parent. And that's basically it for the scheduling part, and we're going to go into the calendar to see once the schedule is submitted, it automatically input that information into the tour calendar here. And obviously the emails are sent out. Two emails are generated. One is generated for the parents, and the other one is generated for the center. All emails that are transmitted from Director's Toolbox are framed within the pre-designed template that already includes the company's information. As you can see here, you would have your company logo, the company's telephone number, or the center's telephone number, and then images from the center, which are managed from Director's Tool, are directly piped into the email template. So this is a template of the email, all emails that goes out, and the specific message in this case, which is a message regarding the tour, a scheduled tour, is built within the template, and that information is right over here. So as you can see, the template is a very beautifully designed, rich in context design, and it has already the center's information, and you can see the sample here. Okay, thank you.